Okay, this is the 10.3 part 1 for our advanced notes, and then it's on page 16 of the packet. I can understand the properties of trapezoids and kites is the learning target, and here are some important things that will also be on the part 2 video, but there's kind of a little bit of overlap. There's some things that we cover on this page that are not on that part 2 video. So whatever's covered when you get to part 2, you can fast forward it. Alright, so we have these showing the measure of angle A and the measure of angle B add up to 180. And then we know that C and D add up to 180, so they're supplementary. So the consecutive angles, or the angles that are next to each other right here, the top and the bottom, are going to be supplementary, and then all of them add up to 360. Okay, and so that is a property of all trapezoids. And then we have right here, it says the median of a trapezoid is equal to the mean of the bases of the figure. Okay, basically we're averaging the bases. We're adding them together, we're dividing by 2. It's that simple. We're going to take the first property we learned and answer a question about it. It says if angle A is 100 and D is 75, find the measure of C. So it looks like these two angles are the same, but as we see, there's not necessarily any correlation between them, because this is just a trapezoid. It doesn't show us that it's anything else. So if this is 100, then this one has to be 80 because they're going to add up to 180. All right, if this is 75, we're going to take 180 and subtract 75 and get 105. And then that's what all the sides equal, because these are supplementary, those are supplementary. So angle B is 80 because 180 minus 100. Then angle C is 105. Okay, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. And then we want to take the average of these. So we want to solve for x. We're going to assume that yx is the median. We're going to average the top and the bottom. So 11x plus 2 plus 13, because we're adding the top and the bottom. And we're going to divide it all by 2. And that's going to equal that middle number, 24. Alright, and then anytime I have a fraction and I'm able to get rid of it, that's exactly what I want to do. So I'm going to multiply by 2 on both sides. And that's going to get rid of this fraction. This is going to be 11x plus 15 after I combine like terms, and this is going to be 48 on this side. I'm going to subtract 15 on both sides. And then 48 minus 15 is going to be 33. And then if we divide by 11 on both sides, then x will be 3. And then that's it.